What's going on, guys? I'm back, and I want to start off by thanking all the people who have already subscribed to my channel and the people who continue to watch my content. It really motivates me to put this content out to the best of my ability and work as hard as I can to keep you guys entertained and keep you guys informed. Okay? Big thanks. Very big thanks. I always said on the channel before, I'm not looking for a monetization check. All I'm looking to do is to inform people on the Forex market that I have seen become something that it is not. A multi-level marketing platform. Forex is not that, and it's extremely sad. That's what I'm here for, and that's what today's video is going to be geared towards. We're going to be profiling 4 YouTubers who I think you guys should be watching. And why? Because they offer their content for free, just like what I'm doing. These are live traders who literally make money in this market, and they don't sell anything on their channel. I think the most some of them may sell is maybe some form of mentorship face-to-face on Skype, and you're basically paying a minimum wage for their time, which I think is completely reasonable. Okay, at the end of the day, a lot of their content is for free, and that's what we're going to be diving into today. So I don't want to say too much. I want to take my stylus, I want to dive right into this computer. But first, I'm going to say, if you haven't yet, like the video because I know you're going to like it. Second, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I used to be one of those guys on YouTube who I love a guy so much, but it took me a year and a half to hit the subscribe button. Please, it helps, okay? And if you can, leave a comment below. Ask me anything, guys. I encourage it, okay? What we're building here is a community. Ask me questions, okay? One love. Let's grab this little bad boy and let's dive into the screen. Cool? Okay, guys, like I said, no further ados. We're gonna dive right into these guys' channels, all right? Not wasting no time. First guy we got on the list. Fortunately, I got all of them I recently subscribed to. So first, trading with Monty. Okay, he does live trading. Let me tell you, 3 a.m. in the morning, trading with Monty. If there's no setup, he's not there. Okay, if there's a setup, he's there. That's the guy you want to be following as well. Trading with Monty. London session. He teaches you how to trade pound pairs. I personally don't trade pound pairs. Okay, trading with Monty. Do I gotta say his name again? Trading with Monty. Pound pairs. I don't trade pound pairs. If I ever want to delve into trading pound pairs, he's a person I'm gonna watch because I can learn from him. Obviously tweak it, add my own strategy to it, but I don't like the way pound pairs move. That's why I don't trade them. Too much movement, too much drawdown for my risk appetite. You understand what I'm saying? Okay? That's why I don't like pound pairs. Very good for people who are trying to grow a small account though. Very easy to grow a small account with pound pairs. Okay? Hold on, excuse me. Trading with Monty. Let me read his about. Okay? I really want to read his about. I didn't get to do that. Let's read his about. Bear with me, guys. We have no about page for Mr. Monty here. Let's do it one more time. Oh no, we do. Sending charts trading view. Create your chart. Click the camera icon and copy the code. Enter the end of this code into the YouTube chat. Please note, I will not see any direct links in the chat. Below, a list of companies and products I personally use and find very useful. Okay, so he has a few affiliate links in there, which I don't mind. That's cool. I love to read the description on his videos though, and that's what I want to point out to you guys the most. So let's bang into one of his descriptions here. Okay, show more. All right, we're gonna read this from head to toe. Live discussion platform for all aspects of trading and abilities. This is an educational daily stream, not a signals service. Although, feel free to copy the trades live. All will be explained. Entry stops and take profit levels every day. Thank you for supporting what we do here. I hope you all gain something from what we're trying to achieve. Help the community we are building to grow help the community we are building grow to rid the world of scammers and fake mentors preying on the uneducated who don't sell. We do not sell dreams here. Donations and support are received with many thanks. Sending charts. Trading view. Create your chart, click the camera icon, and copy the code. Alright? So what this guy's doing, he's offering, literally he's telling you that I'm gonna give you what I do every day, and if you want to send me a little bit of change because you think I changed your life in some way, then you can do that. And that's what I like about trading with Monty. This is something I might seek in the future as I start to grow. But we will stick to what we stand by. We will not sell anything to anybody. Donations are different. If you feel, like I said, the content that you're getting is substantial enough for you to throw somebody $1 to even $10, then you can do that. And that's what I would do with trading with Monty. I'd give him $5. Why the hell not? Okay, guys. Number 3, trading with Paul. Trading with Paul. Let's get right into his right now. Trading with Paul, guys. So let's go to his about first. He's been on YouTube since December 20th, 2019. So definitely has grown very exponentially. 7K followers. Let's see what he says. We are here to take live trades together and learn how to properly manage risk and execute trades according to your trading plan. We have a free Telegram group you can join from the mentorship website, or a private group with a one-on-one mentoring on how to help you figure out way to trade and have the most success. I execute all my trades using the magic keys, which you can purchase through the link above. So he is selling something, but at the end of the day, he does do a live stream where he offers his content for free. If you choose to pay him, you can. And these are the people you need to watch out for. These are the guys you want to follow. Not charging you a thing. Quality content, live trades. That's what you want to be seeing. Not people back testing markets. Last 2 guys, okay? This young man, I don't know his name, but he recently completed the FTMO challenge. He doesn't have many videos on YouTube, okay? Only 2.5k subscribers, but I decided to throw him in there because of his last video. I just watched it this morning and it says, "Dear traders, please watch this before starting your Forex journey." And he's organic in it. He's telling you guys that there's mentors out there that will just, oh my God, I'm telling you, it's a zero-sum game. You guys got to understand this. It's not going to be easy. And when people take money from your pocket before you can even start, don't think that you're going to get a college course for $500. That's going to give you a job. It doesn't make sense. Okay? Like I said, this guy is great, man. Real trader. Started off 2014 from what I watched in this video. So he started around the same time I did. At 6 years ago, it's unbelievable. The Forex market wasn't filled with people selling you a dream. Okay? Check this guy out. JXSM5. Link in the description. JXSM5. Link in the description. Alright? Next, we got my favorite, and I left the best for last. Why? Because he is what brought me to where I'm at today. And this man's name is Shiva Kirshnan. Shiva Kirshnan. And I say his name with such conviction. Why? Because I know a lot about him. He was an institutional trader who then went retail. And he basically gave us all the institutional secrets, all the things that he was sitting at his desk looking at. Okay? So when I take my approach to the market, I'm taking a very institutional approach. I'm trying to move with the wave, not go against it. Alright? I try to replicate everything they do in the institutions, down to the size of my computer screen. People don't understand. You don't want to distort your charts. All these small things matters. Placement of exponential moving average. These things matter, especially if you're an institutional trader. Alright, guys? So, Shiva Kirshnan. I'm going to take you a bit through his videos, but he started his YouTube channel May 1st, 2014. This is exact around the time when I started trading Forex and binary options. Okay? So, I've grown with this gentleman since then. And it's sad that he doesn't have as much views as a lot of these mentors or gurus. It's actually sickening, right? Because he's amazing. He's amazing, and he's somebody you guys need to subscribe to. He doesn't put out as much content as before, but like I said, link in the description. Check these guys out. I gave you guys 5 people, including myself, who does that on YouTube. A lot of people are going on YouTube exposing people. Right now I'm watching a lot of collaboration videos on people trying to just sell even more stuff. I saw Nick Sean and Mamba FX together, and I saw Swag Academy and Mamba FX together. So I don't know what these guys are trying to achieve personally, but we know what we're trying to achieve here, guys. No one's dogging anybody, okay? Free community stuff, all right? I didn't talk to any of these guys before I did this video, but I did this video for a reason, okay? I want you guys to follow people who are gonna help you. People like myself. I don't trade like Monty. I don't trade like Paul. I told you guys, I'm daily looking for my entries on the hour, but I'm waiting for daily closes at 5 o'clock. Break a certain level, I expect the market to do certain things. Hits on a support at the end of the day, I expect the market to do certain things. Okay? If you guys have watched my live stream, you see how I trade. Alrighty. One love. Like, comment, and subscribe, because I really appreciate it. Comment, really important. Like, really important. Subscription, not so important if you don't feel like clicking the button, but it'd be nice. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right.